Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. We have a fairly popular knife here. It is the Spyderco Ambitious part number C148GP. The Spyderco Ambitious Folding Knife features a 2.31-inch blade that is made from 8CR13 MOV steel. The handle is made from G10 and has a lanyard hole. To open the knife, we're going to simply take the Spyderco thumb hole, put our thumb in it, and simply pull out the blade until it clicks. And then to close the knife, we're going to push down on the LinerLock and then simply fold the blade in. It also includes an ambidextrous pocket clip that you can position anywhere you would like. Here, here, or here. The overall length is 5.89 inches, the closed length is 3.58 inches, and it weighs only 3 ounces. This compact knife is a great value with great performance. They cost $45.50 plus shipping. We do offer free shipping on orders of $75 or more. Please see the description for other details. They are available now at PremiumSelectSupplies.com. We hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit the thumbs up right now, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. Thank you.